está suave. Sí, ¿por qué se arrancó? ¡Ahí va! ¡Hija de puta! Yep. Yeah, I have a fish. Okay, small dorado. Woohoo. Oh, is it a Brycon? Okay, small Brycon. My first fish of the morning, finally. Woohoo. After so much effort. Oh, there's something chasing it. I don't know what that was, but I got a Brycon, man. Woo! Good fun. Oh, these guys have so much fun. They like to run, they like to jump. This one, it's not jumping though. Let's take it to the other side. It's gonna make it easier. Woo! Not a big fish, but a really fun catch. It's been a while since I caught one of these. I'm really happy. Alright, let's get it out. I think it's about to be ready. Oh, I got it in the eye, I think. Oh man. Oh, there she goes. Woo. See? Got it in el ojo. Okay, nice fight though. That was fun. Little Brycon, finally some action.